Tawarri from ABI Interiors here, and I'm about to take you through the Tawarri project by PJH Constructions. It's an absolutely gorgeous day here on the Gold Coast, which is fitting for this coastal contemporary project. Let's head inside. Now before we head inside, I just want to point out this facade. You've got these arched battens, which really act as a defining feature for this home. They're actually not made out of timber, they're made out of a thing called knotwood, which is a timber look metal. So in this kitchen and living space, you can really see how PJH combine that classic coastal style, which is so prevalent on the Gold Coast, with a twist of the contemporary. You've got this white bright palette, shaker style cabinetry, a farmhouse sink, and then these thick timber legs on the island bench here, which all nod to that classic Hampton style. But then you've got white fluting along the front and on this curved bench top here, which really elevate this space and give a unique feel. So around this corner here, we have the Butler's Pantry. Now I want to point out this stone feature wall here. It's complemented by steel balustrades. The whole area just acts as a backdrop for the kitchen and living. And these balustrades allow for the space to not be closed up. It allows natural light to filter in from both sides, and this space feels really open. So in here we have a laundry, quite generously sized, with a nice laundry rail on there that matches the brass tapware. And then we have the downstairs bathroom. So over on our right here, we have the sitting room, a sun-drenched little room that looks out over the pool area. Let's head upstairs. Okay, so we have one bedroom on our right here, and then the main bathroom. So this is all just one big wet room in here, which I really like because it just feels so spacious. So bedroom number 2. And there is bedroom number 3. And finally, the master. This curved wall, oh my gosh. This has got to be my favourite bedroom of this house. Let's check out the ensuite. My dream wardrobe. And you know I love a bathroom skylight. So those exterior arches make another appearance in this bathroom in the curved glass screen here, and also in these mirrors. And if I'm correct, they're backlit. Got a gorgeous bath here, a double shower head and a double basin, and might I say, what an impact the brass basins make against those Zallige look tiles. And finally we make it to the outdoor pool area. What a space to spend a hot Gold Coast summer. What I love about PJH is that they always add these twists to these contemporary coastal homes that they build. It's always something fresh, they are always innovating. I've certainly enjoyed this house tour. I hope you guys did too. We'll see you next time.